All right, number 25 says, given the picture, solve for x. Note that segment BD is a mid-segment. So we want to find, we are looking for x. And if you notice, they have the parallel symbols. So we have similar triangles here. We can look at our large triangle here. And then we can look at the smaller triangle right here. And you can see that there is similar because of the angle-angle similarity postulate. They share angle C, and then this angle and this angle are congruent because of corresponding angles. So they are similar, so we could set up a ratio for the sides. We can say that side CD is to side CE as side BD is to AE. So we plug in those numbers. We see CD is 4. We see CE is 4 plus 6, so that side is 10. And that's going to equal BD is 6, and AE is what we're looking for. So we've got 4x cross multiply is equal to 10 times 6. 4x is equal to 60. Divide both sides by 4, and x is equal to 15.